Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Tuesday, October 15th, and I'm going to be analyzing the Kiwi US dollar, starting on the monthly, working my way down to the 1 hour time frame for the full top-down analysis. But first, don't forget to check out my website, fxpipcollector.com, if you would like to get access to my swing trade signals, my daily members-only live streams on Zoom, and my 34 video trading course, all for one low price of $34 per month. So anyways, on the Kiwi dollar, now I try to once a day, I try to analyze a pair that I don't normally analyze. The Kiwi dollar is definitely a pair that I don't normally forecast for, and it is really popular right now according to my FX book, so we're going to take a look at that and do the full top-down analysis. So anyways, on the monthly time frame, like most other dollar pairs, they did turn down really sharp. And it does look like impulsive down three waves up, so it probably is going to at least go back down to these lows before it does end up going back up and making either that wave C or that wave 3, like I've been forecasting basically on the Aussie dollar because it's very similar to the Aussie dollar. So taking a look at it on the weekly time frame. On the weekly time frame, like I said, it looks like we got a 3-3 pattern. So 3 waves down, 3 waves up. Likely that's going to lead to either 5 waves down for like a flat. And the fact that this is basically an equal high means that it's probably a regular flat like that. Or possibly it could be 3 waves down, which would be a WXY. Either way, it's pretty much the same forecast, same scenario, so not too important to know the difference. Going down to the daily time frame. Daily time frame, the trend is definitely still down. This is likely either a wave A of a WXY or a wave 1 of a 5 wave downtrend. Still no signs of this wave A or 1 being complete yet. Going down to the 4 hour time frame, my last structure level on the 4 hour is right here. So a break of that structure will tell me this whole move is over and that the wave A or 1 is complete. Until we actually get this break of structure, I'd be very cautious about going long because there's really no reason at all that this may not continue to make lower lows and lower highs. So taking it right down to the 1 hour time frame. On the 1 hour time frame, zoomed out a little bit. I am a swing trader, so I don't really label anything on these short time frames. But to me, until we get that break of structure, I'm definitely still looking for shorts. So if we get this to come up and then it makes a lower high or rejects structure, then I would go short again. Even though it looks like this trend may be over on the higher time frames, it's not over until the market says it's over, and the market's not going to say it's over until we get a break of structure to the upside. So if it breaks and holds above structure like this, then I will definitely be looking for longs at the end of pullbacks. If it doesn't and it rejects structure or makes a lower high, then I definitely will go short again for the continuation of the downtrend. So as long as you're following along with structure, following along with price, you should be trading in the right direction. So don't forget to join my free Discord group, which is linked down here in the corner. And as always, thank you and happy trading.